Hi there guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER we're going to be looking at the color tab under the color specs. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the color specs. There's quite a few things we need to cover, so yeah, I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. But then yeah, in today's video we're going to be looking at the color tab under the color specs, which would be the first tab here from the three we can choose from. Let's move this thing out the way. Okay, so now first of all, if you want to locate your color specs, it is that magnifying glass on your standard toolbar with a little paint drop in it. So if you click that, it will open up your color specs. Now, just a quick overview on the color specs. First of all, obviously we've got the three tabs, which is our color, library, and find. So obviously library will locate all your colors and so forth, and find you can try isolate things. And under the color specs here, we've got all colors. This will be basically your Schwartz tables. So at the moment you can see we've only have the one that is should I say the one that is currently in our project, which is one near the bottom, and that's the colors we can pick from. So if we had to open another swatch table, then we will be seeing them as well under here, so you can isolate them by selecting only the one you want. At the moment we only have the defaults, you can select that, and then you can navigate here to see what's under it. As you can see, under all colors we also have the used colors, so any custom colors we've made and so forth will be under here, but it will be only relevant to your project. And so if you save and you open a new project, it won't be there unless you've saved it to your actual palette. And then under the palette, like I mentioned, we've got the actual colors that we can choose from. You can install, same as with the color palette at the bottom, or the swatch palette. You can still see the little icons to indicate what type of colors it is. And then in the left here you can see we've got a little eye, which these ones are grayed out, means they are not available or being used. And then these ones here you can see it's got a little eye, which means they are currently being used in the project. So you can see we've got the green. All of these ones are being used. You cannot see them because they are currently off screen, because I've got a few templates at the bottom with different shapes on it. But over here we can see that they are being used. Then yeah, under that obviously we've got the information for the color. So if I zoom in here, we click maybe just white, you can see here the name is white, the mode is RGB, and then we can choose, okay, this is more for creating new and deleting. We'll cover that a bit later. And then on the right here we've got a little sample. So now if we had to burgundy or red, same thing, it's got the name, what color the mode it is under, and the color. And on the right here we can see the mode settings. So at the moment it is RGB, so we can see the red, green, and blue. Seeing that it's red, it's only got red or full red and no green or blue. Then on the right here we've got the actual use color management. So we've got a input profile and a rendering intent. So this is if you play working with like Adobe RGBs and stuff like that, you can set this to be more color accurate, but we will be leaving ours just on default settings. If you know what you're doing, you can always play with that. And then under there we've got color information. So with the color that is selected, we can see the vendor, it's the default, that's what it falls under, and the category is enhanced. And we've got a few other things that we can also see. But otherwise that is it on the basics under the color profile or the color tab. In the next video we're going to be looking at this little section here. And yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you for some reason though do not find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.